Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. This here is provided by Tor Card, as you can see in here. This is not a Tor Card router as far as I know. There was supposed to be a giveaway, but I don't know, they have disappeared. That was like a month ago or something. It's been standing here on my table for like a month or so. They said they're gonna do a giveaway and give this kind of package to someone, but I think there is no giveaway. I don't know. Anyway, I decided I will just do a review on this one, and if there is giveaway, I will announce it in the community tab as a post, so don't worry, you won't miss it. But for now, let's just do a review on it. So before I even move on, I mean, I'm moving on slowly and explaining things. What this is Tor Card is, as you can see, online privacy protection services. It's like a VPN, virtual private network, and it they provide everything like phone apps, browser add-on, and a standalone program for your PC, of course. And now they are also providing this. So this is a guide in here, this thing in here, that's just a guide. How to set up WireGuard on a GLI, I'm not even sure what that is, OpenWRT router. So apparently this is just a compatible router, and the idea behind this is that this router is gonna be, I will explain, I will show everything, don't worry. Let's get started. And there we go, support. Let's check out the router itself. Oh, look at that, it's really small. It's quite heavy for a small router, look at that. GLI net. So these are the antennas. As far as I know, that's 12 band, that's mode, that's reset, I believe. We have 3 ports. What is this in here? I think that's input, that's USB, that's power. That's an SD card? What is it? Is it, guys? That's an SD card, I think. That's the front, yeah, what is that, yeah, 2G, 5G, so that's 12 band, really awesome, guys, I really like this, really tiny and small. So, what this is going to do is that you will connect your internet in here, and then you will connect all your devices into this one, and this one already connects to the Tor Card services, which means that every device that connects to this one no longer needs the setup, and it's already connected to the VPN. So that's how this is supposed to work. So you can put all the, your consoles, phones, everything can go through that. That's the idea behind this. So it's like anonymous stuff. I don't know why I pulled this out. Package is pretty nice. That's like a sponge thing in here. There is something here. What is this package? Probably adapter, I'm pretty sure of it. So this was sent from America, and I can already see that's the USA plug in here. See, there we go. That's just a USB one, so it takes USB. Wow, that's cool, guys. This is just USB powered. This takes only a little power. Where was it? This one. So you can connect it from your PC or laptop. So it's like a mobile router. Oh my god, thumbs up, guys, thumbs up. So if you're connecting it through a laptop, then you can just have like a mobile, hotspot, or whatever you like to call it, I think. We have cables in here. One Ethernet cable, flat, as you can see, flat cable. And then we got USB cables. So I don't think I have anything else to show in here. I mean, I showed you the hardware. This guide, I'm not going to show you this. I'm going to walk you through this. This is going to be on the PC screen. You get 2 of these stickers. These are stickers. Tor Card, see, 2 of these. I've been using these services for a while, and it's really freaking awesome, okay? If anyone doesn't know what the VPN really is, virtual private network, it encrypts your traffic, and it's also anonymous. For example, I don't really want to say it, but if you download like torrents, right? And then like the authorities ask for them, the Tor Card for the, IP logs and stuff, then they can't give them because they simply don't have them. As far as I know, they store all the information in RAM. So as soon as you disconnect from the Tor card, then your IP is wiped and that's it. It cannot be traced anymore. So that's how it's supposedly work. But anyway, I am going to set this up. I will show you the progress on the PC screen, how all this is gonna work. Review here is done, so next step is gonna be setting this up and showing you how it works, and the ping and speed tests and stuff. That will depend on the server you are using in TorGuard. So alright, so I have set it up and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. And this router is wicked, guys. This is amazing. So the default password is good life. It's mentioned under the router. I already have it set up. The default IP you have to go to, this one, I put it 10 because why not? I mean, it looks cool. But original one is 192.168.8.1. I think that's what it was, the default. It's also mentioned somewhere under the router thing. So the first thing you want to do is maybe just set up your stuff, like, you know, the networks and stuff, but it's not necessary. So we have a repeater, tethering, 3G. It's amazing. It has a USB input. You can plug in a USB device such as like this one, the USB 3G or 4G modem, and you can, you know, see it in here, and it can directly, you know, use it as an you know, access point like the hotspot. So it's very good with mobile devices, and it also charges through the small USB like I showed you. So that's amazing, guys. You can also use your phone with it, but let's move on. So what you want to do is go to the VPN, and we're gonna go into WireGuard client in here. First thing you have to do is actually go to the Tor card, log in with your account, then go into tools, enable WireGuard access. That's the first thing you want to do. They don't have many servers at the moment in here that support it, as you can see. There's only a few of them. And anyway, you enable whichever one you want. You select which one you want. It shows you the VPN server IP address in here, as you can see. So you choose whichever you want. I just tested with these two, one of the UK ones and one of the US ones. So you just enable, you click enable WireGuard, that's all. And then you click on download config. You just click on it, it's gonna download it. And once you have it downloaded, then what we want to do is open this with Notepad++ or anything like this, or any text editor. All you have to do is just select all, copy this, you can close this, then we go back into the admin page in here. We go into management, add new profile, you put the name in here, we go next, and then you just paste this entire thing here and click add. I'm not going to do this because I have already added them in here, as you can see, and that's all you need to do. Then you go in here and then you can connect. But before I do this, there is a really freaking awesome function, guys. You go into more settings, and then it's a button setting, and see this switch on the right side, I believe right side of this. This can be configured, as you can see. It can change the OpenVPN or the WireGuard toggle on and off. It's amazing. I'm gonna actually do it from the device itself. So in here you should see it connect without me pressing anything. And there it goes, guys. I don't know why it says it may take longer, but see, there we go. And it's connected. I was just downloading a game through Steam, so it should actually usage should go up. And this is where you see the usage and everything. Come on, doesn't it? Let's go to speed test, guys. Yeah, there we go. It's going up now. Let's do speed test.net. I'm gonna have to what the hell? I'm gonna have to stop my download. Just a second. Alright, and let's see. Yeah, let's do this. Go. Let's see what the speed is. And also I need to show you that IP is changed, obviously. I know it changed. Come on, what's going on in here? Ping 31, that's really good ping actually for the VPN. What? Okay, something broke. I don't know what happened. But this is the site where you can check the IP on the Tor card. See, it shows you. See, it's I don't know why it says unprotected. It actually is. So this is the IP. Just note this one in here. And if I go back into the Tor card, then that's this IP in here. See, the UK one. So it matches. This one in here. So you can see it's actually working. So every device you connect to this, the router in here, then absolutely everything in here, see, it even shows you the VPN is enabled, the VPN mark in here. So every device you connect, wireless or LAN, will be protected by the VPN by default. It's just amazing. And now the same thing again, if I push the button or flip the switch on the router itself, then this should automatically disconnect. Let me try this. Any time now, there we go. Yeah, it just takes a second, but it does work, guys. It's just cool. And let's see if I change the profile in here, will it automatically connect? I'll try again with the button. Yeah, it's still connected to the UK one, so I have to manually change and maybe change server. Let's see if it does that. Well, it does work, so if you connect it for the first time. And let's see if the IP changed in here. Let's refresh the page in here. Yes, it did. See, it's different. So, and see, New York. And if we go, let's see if this server is any better. Sometimes some of the servers are a little bit sluggish, but all in all, it works pretty well. Yeah, okay. I don't really know what's going on. It's a bit sluggish today, but usually it's a lot faster. I don't know, maybe Steam was downloading something on the background too, but you just have to find a good server that works, so you can enable the WireGuard for all of them, and you can just test it out and just copy paste the settings and try it out and see which one works the best for you. But well, guys, this is the awesome function of the Tor card, or the service they provide, and you can get this complete package from the Tor card. So check it out, guys. It's really amazing how it works, and I will see ya next time.